you as well that can eat this food. Look at this food. Look there.
So guys, we are back. So I was trying to make the video in the it's like it's too hot. So let's proceed here. As I was saying, okay, I want to make this baby food powder recipe. So instead of cooking baby curry every day, so you can easily do this for yourself. So this is what I always do, and I have a lot of the recipe in my page and my YouTube. So today I'm going to be soaking this one live. So I will take you guys to the process on how I soak it. Okay. So this will actually last for 24 hours before I will proceed. But for now we are going to be soaking the recipe after last night. Okay. So we soak the food last night, and now I'm about to wash it. The last wash. The next one for me to soak. So I said for me to do it so I let me get along. So here is everything is here. You can see that everything is here. See, I washed it yesterday very well. So for now I'll just get rid of this. See everything. So now it's washed already, and I will take you guys. Let's go and sun it.
So guys, for those of us following this recipe, so we're about to shoot the final video. So we have done drying the food, and so here we have it. So this is after 2 days, guys. So I'm not feeling too well since, so that's why I haven't got up since. So now I'm okay. So I said let's proceed. So this is the food, and it's dry. So now we are going to the last process before we can feed our baby. So let's continue. And for those of you that just seen the video for the first time, so this is baby food, and everything is here. So these are the recipe I use. I'm still going to leave it in the comment section. So over here we have a millet, we have a corn, we have rice, and then we have a Daal. So all these ingredients I combine together to make a baby food powder. So if you don't want to be cooking food every day, you want to just make a baby food powder for your baby, like anytime you can just easily make it as pap and feed your baby. So this is the right video for you to watch on how you can just make baby food powder for your babies. So I'm today going to share with you the last process. Okay, so now we are done drying it, and now we are about to use our fire. To drop your comments, and don't forget to share the live video. So we add it a little bit. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you so much. So now I'll be toasting it like this. So you don't just try to sun the food with sun it and just start cooking baby. No, you still have to go this process by toasting the food. You have to toast it before you can feed babies. Okay, so turn this one here now. See that? This is done. This process is done, guys. So now it's ready. All you have to do now is to grind it. Okay, all you have to do now is to grind. Look at that. You see how powder this thing look, guys. Just take a good look at that. This is just the best way to make your baby powder food. You gotta go. This is just the best way to make your baby food powder. So this one you can just easily prepare it for them to eat. You understand? If you stream it like this now, just put it in container. It's going to last as long as you want. As long as you want this food to last, it's going to last as long as you want. So nothing to worry about. If you follow the process how I get this done, trust me, it's going to last as long as you want. This is just the best way to make your baby food powder for future use. So if you're a busy mom, you don't want to be going kitchen every minute, all you have to do is just to put water in the fire and turn this for them to eat. Pour a milk, baby go enjoy. So let me stream it for you guys to see. I have water already here. So what we do now, this one, over here I have water. So I'm just quantity of the water. It's not small, it's not big. So now that the water is here, I will be adding this food. Okay. I add 2 spoons, so let me go. So guys, what you have to add next is sugar. Okay. So over here I have sugar. I will add it inside the food. You see that? So next I will be adding is milk. You see that? I just added some milk. So now I will hide the heat. So now you have to stir like this. You cook the food like this before you serve it. So now we keep on stirring like this. Now yeah, look at it. So now the food is cooked. Okay, I will just turn off the heat. You see that after cooking, this is what we have. See that? So this. Even you as well that can eat this. Look at. You see that, guys? You see that? So now it's ready to serve the babies. We are done with baby food. If you enjoy watching this video, please share. So this is just how to make the baby food for that. You can last as long as you want this food to last. Anyhow you want this food to last, this food is going to last as long as you want. So thank you for watching. See you in my next one, and don't forget to share. I love you guys. Bye bye. Bye girls. Kids love this food. Try this for your baby.